it's Emily with V Bonderland. Today's video is actually going to be a body makeup video. Today I will be attempting to do a body makeup contour. Basically, I'll be doing how to do abs and get abs without exercise. So this is the first time I'm actually showing this part of my body, anything underneath my shoulders. Please be respectful. Anywho, let's just start on with this video. I'm only going to be using one product actually, and this is the Fenty Beauty contour set in the color medium. I'm going to be using the two colors, Bamboo and Mocha. So basically what the tip is for all contouring in general is to highlight the shadows where you want more definition and to kind of lighten up the areas where there isn't shadow. And so as you can see, I want to go for an 11. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a dark first, and I'm going to go all the way down here and then kind of trace this here. Luckily, my metabolism has been a little bit nicer to me than usual, so it's a little bit easier for me to kind of see what areas that I need to do this. But yeah, like I'm just going to trace this. We'll start off with just like a regular 11, and if I feel a little adventurous, maybe I'll attempt a really fake six-pack, because I don't think I've ever actually had like a really shredded six-pack before, but I think it'd be interesting to kind of see how well I can contour my abs. So at least in terms of the 11, I think this is kind of more of the shape that I want it to be. Now I'm going to go with the color Bamboo. This is the lighter color, and I'm just going to go kind of fill this part in here just to make it look a little bit more bright. And all of these are oil-based products, obviously, because I wanted this to be waterproof, because I see you people, you want to have a hot girl summer body or whatever at the beach, and you don't want to contour your abs and then have them melt off in the sea. So this would be the way to go. For blending, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to use this generic cushion that I found on Amazon. We'll see how well it blends. But basically, I'm going to kind of like pat and sort of like brush it in like so. And I'll be back after thoroughly blending. So as you can see, this looks a lot more defined. As you can see, like this is the areas where I pretty much blended and put the extra foundation, or rather the product, on. I think it looks okay. Something that I would recommend though is to put on like kind of a tinted, maybe mineral sunscreen on here so that it doesn't look so pasty or like unnatural. But I do think that this does work if you want just a little bit more definition. Bro, the internet is a scary place. Like, y'all, we can contour abs now. We don't even need to work out anymore. Just kidding, you should work out because that's good health benefits. But anyways, continuing on with this ab fishing video, we're gonna go on and try to do a six-pack. I've actually never done ab contouring in general, so this may look pretty bad from here on out, but just bear with me. We're gonna continue on with the dark color Mocha here. And for six-packs, I find it very interesting because some people have different, like, how to explain this? The muscle isn't always symmetrical, so they'll be like this or like this or like this. I'll kind of like almost skip, and I find that really weird. But I'll just try to do what I can in terms of being natural. Let's go a little bit more like this, then like this. It's not completely even, but it's more natural, I'd say. And I'm actually going to skip going in with the white one or the lighter one, Bamboo, because I think it'll highlight it too much, and then you can tell that it's really a layer of fat rather than muscle. So we're just going to continue on with this. I'll blend it out and I'll show you what happens after. So I think the six-pack, as you can see here, is kind of a total bust. Reason being is when you contour things in general, like your cheekbones, you're kind of following something that's naturally already there. So even though you don't really have like the sharpest jaw or whatever, you still have a guideline. As for the six-pack, I have no idea where my six muscles are, so that's why it's a lot harder. But yeah, I would just say, I mean, if you already have like a six-pack forming and you just want to have that extra cherry on the top for, I don't know, like modeling pictures or whatnot, go for it, that's fine. Then you would just go in and trace whatever you have. But if not, then this looks kind of fake. Like, it's pretty obvious to anyone who actually has a six-pack that I don't actually have a six-pack. The 11 is okay because I already have somewhat of an 11 here, or at least the tiny micro divots That kind of helped me understand where things are in my body. But yeah, in general, just do a little bit. This is not a tutorial where you can just be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna like contour muscles and I'm gonna look like a bodybuilder. This is just to kind of enhance your natural beauty, whatever is there. And just in general, like there's so many benefits to working out. If anything, this tutorial, rather than making me want to contour my abs every single morning at the break of dawn, it really just makes me want to work out a little bit more. So yeah, but you know, you do you. Use this knowledge to however you want it to. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. See ya!